In this video, let's take a look at how to set up a MERM box. MERM boxes are shipped to health facilities in a disassembled form. It comprises a set of plastic sheets with creases and perforations. Apart from a MERM module, a charger, and a set of stickers. Before you begin assembling the box, the MERM module along with the battery must be plugged into charge for 12 to 14 hours using the charger given with the set. Now, assemble the box as per the instructions. After the box has been assembled, stick the appropriate labels on the flap, on the side, and on the inside of the flap respectively. Now, insert the MERM module in the space provided in such a way that the three LEDs on the module and the buzzer are seen through the window on the front side of the box. Finally, insert the spacers and the MERM box is fully assembled and ready to be used. Do not plug in the charger or USB cable to the MERM device if the battery is not inserted in the battery slot. Also, ensure that the battery is removed from the module if it is not in use or not allocated to the patient. This will prevent data consumption when the module is not in use. When the charger is plugged into the device with the battery, the red LED will continue to flash, indicating that the battery is under charge. If the red LED does not flash when the charger is plugged in, it indicates that the battery has completely drained. In some cases, this leads the staff to wrongly assume that either the battery or the charger is defective. Therefore, if the red light does not flash while charging, it is recommended to leave it plugged in for a few hours and then unplug and replug the device. Now, the battery would have enough power to boot up the module and the red flashing can be seen. When the red light stops flashing, it indicates that the battery has been charged. The module also has audio cues to help you understand if the battery is fully charged. After the battery is connected, the yellow LED comes on briefly and thereafter the red, yellow and green LEDs will flash sequentially a few times. Then, either the green or the yellow or the red LED will flash 3 times. At the same time, a high-pitched beep will be heard if the battery is fully charged and a lower, longer beep if the battery is not full. The green LED with 3 high-pitched beeps indicate that the battery is fully charged. Yellow LED with 3 medium-pitched beeps indicate that the battery is half charged. Red LED with 3 low-pitched beeps indicate that the battery is low and needs to be charged.